Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program. It is used by millions of people around the world. Excel allows you to organize data in rows and columns. This data can then be manipulated with formulas and functions. You can also use Excel to create charts and graphs. It is a valuable tool for anyone who works with data. Excel is part of the Microsoft Office suite of applications. It is available for both Windows and Mac computers. Excel is also available as a mobile app for iOS and Android devices. There are many different ways to learn Excel. You can take a class, read a book, or watch a video tutorial. Excel is a versatile tool. It can be used for a variety of purposes. Businesses use Excel to track inventory, sales, and expenses. Teachers use Excel to track grades and attendance. Individuals use Excel to manage their finances and track their fitness goals. No matter how you plan to use it, Excel is a valuable skill. It is a program that can help you in all aspects of your life. The Excel interface can be intimidating at first. However, it is easy to learn with a little practice. The basic unit of organization in Excel is the cell. Cells are arranged in rows and columns. Each cell can contain data, a formula, or a function. Rows are identified by numbers. Columns are identified by letters. A cell's address is a combination of its row and column identifiers. For example, the cell in the first row and first column is A1. You can move around the worksheet using the arrow keys on your keyboard. You can also use the mouse to click on a cell to select it. The Excel ribbon is located at the top of the screen. It contains a variety of commands that you can use to work with your data. The ribbon is organized into tabs. Each tab contains a group of related commands. You can access the commands on the ribbon by clicking on the tabs and then clicking on the commands. Formulas and functions are the heart of Excel. They allow you to perform calculations on your data. A formula is a mathematical expression that you enter into a cell. Formulas always begin with an equal sign. For example, the formula equals A1 plus A2 would add the values in cells A1 and A2. Functions are predefined formulas that perform specific calculations. Excel has hundreds of built-in functions. These functions can be used to perform a wide variety of calculations. For example, the sum function adds a range of cells. The average function calculates the average of a range of cells. To enter a formula, select the cell where you want the result to appear. Then type the formula into the formula bar. The formula bar is located above the worksheet. Once you have entered the formula, press the Enter key. The result of the formula will appear in the cell. Section 4. Data Management Techniques. Data management is an important part of working with Excel. Excel provides a number of tools that you can use to manage your data. These tools include sorting, filtering, deleting, and copying. Sorting allows you to rearrange your data in ascending or descending order. This is helpful if you need to quickly find the highest or lowest value in a column. Filtering allows you to display only the data that meets certain criteria. This is helpful if you have a large dataset and you only want to see a subset of the data. Deleting data removes it from the worksheet. You can delete individual cells, rows, or columns. You can also delete the entire worksheet. Copying data creates a duplicate of the data in another location. You can copy individual cells, rows, or columns. You can also copy the entire worksheet. Data management techniques can help you keep your data organized and efficient. Section 5. Formatting and presenting data. Formatting your data can make it easier to read and understand. Excel provides a number of formatting options. You can change the font, color, size, and alignment of your text. You can also add borders and shading to your cells. To format your data, select the cells that you want to format. Then click on the Home tab on the ribbon. The Home tab contains a group of formatting commands. You can use these commands to change the appearance of your data. Charts and graphs are a great way to visualize your data. Excel provides a variety of chart and graph types. You can use these charts and graphs to track trends, compare data, and make informed decisions. Section 6. Printing and sharing your work. Once you have created your worksheet, you may want to print it out or share it with others. Excel makes it easy to print and share your work. To print your worksheet, click on the File tab and then click on Print. The Print dialog box will appear. In the print dialog box, you can select the printer that you want to use, the number of copies that you want to print, and other printing options. You can also save your worksheet as a PDF file. This will create a file that can be viewed on any computer. To save your worksheet as a PDF file, click on the File tab and then click on Save As. In the Save As dialog box, select PDF from the Save As Type drop-down menu. Excel also allows you to share your work with others online. You can share your workbook with others by emailing it to them or by saving it to a cloud storage service. Section 7. The power of Excel real-world applications and career advancement. Excel is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. It is used in businesses of all sizes as well as in education, government, and healthcare. Excel can be used to track sales, manage finances, analyze data, and create reports. Excel is a valuable skill for any job seeker. Many employers require applicants to have strong Excel skills. In fact, Excel is one of the most in-demand skills in today's job market. If you are looking to improve your career prospects, learning Excel is a great place to start. There are many resources available to help you learn Excel. There are online courses, books, and software programs that can teach you the basics of Excel. Once you have a basic understanding of Excel, you can start to learn more advanced features. With a little effort, you can master Excel and use it to achieve your personal and professional goals.